Now it's been mixed thoroughly. Let's put
and then put it there.
Dump it into our salad. Lettuce. Ooh. Now we got our creamy tuna in there. Let's put our vegetables. Our fruits.
And then fruits.
We got a bunch of grapes, washed of course.
Yeah.
Sprinkle that those grapes.
Slice yan na. Okay, mango na. Sige na.
Dapat slice.
Pas lang.
Got a mango.
Look, scrape mo yan. Scrape. Sige, kunin mo lang kunwari. Bilisan mo.
Let's scrape the mangoes off.
Wow, sarapan yan eh. Tiki-waki, go. Alisin mo pa yung sleepers mo sa left side. Kitang-kita. Okay, good. Enough na. Just show it and mix. Go.
Now let's mix. I cannot mix now. What's happening? I feel like a chef. Okay.
Go. Then. Go next. Lahat na. Then nuts na. Sige, nuts. Kunwari, tomato na lang. Pakita ko lang, ha. Sige. Okay, kunwari na lang. Sige, next. Tapos cheese na. Okay, lagay mo malapit para mo. Huwag ka hindi ganyan. Damihan mo.